A village in China's Tibet has undergone significant changes since it started tea plantation several years ago. Guilin village in Madok County was once inaccessible due to its rugged terrain and dense forests. However, the opening of the Madok Highway in 2013 greatly improved connectivity and opened up opportunities for economic growth. And in 2018, tea plantation was promoted here.
我们格林村茶园作为乡村振兴产业，已经达到了560亩。我们去年的茶青采摘收入是52万。
With more than 75% of the county's land covered by forests, Madok is dubbed a natural animal and plant museum, making it an appealing destination for tourists. Last year, an upgrade of the village's infrastructure was completed to facilitate tourism.
把这个茶园打造成了一个茶旅融合的观光产业。今年我们从3月20号到现在，我们的收入已经突破到了30万元。然后我们是建立了6栋民宿，有22个客房。今年3月份以来，游客是越来越多，客房都是满的。
现在茶园和民宿都办起来了，客人也特别的多。像去年的话，我都挣了6万多块钱。
The village received more than 15,000 visitors in 2022, with a comprehensive tourism revenue of over 600,000 yuan.